In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to YouTube. First, open Canva. When you do this, you will see the familiar dashboard where all your designs are located. This is the starting point for any project you want to create. Finding the right tool for your needs is crucial, and Canva offers a wide range of features that can help you design visually appealing content. Once you are on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This sets the stage for a smooth workflow as you create your video design. Next, create or open your video design. If you are starting from scratch, you can choose a video template that suits your project. This can save you a lot of time later, as templates provide a structured format for your content. Alternatively, if you already have a design, simply locate it within your Canva dashboard and open it. Seeing your design appear on the screen helps you visualize the final product. This step is essential because it allows you to work on the video that you want to share on YouTube. Now click on the Share button located at the top right corner of the screen. This button is your gateway to sharing your creations with the world. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing various sharing options. It's important to pay attention to this step because sharing directly from Canva streamlines the process and keeps everything organized in one place. By using this feature, you ensure that your design can easily be uploaded to platforms like YouTube without any hassle. From there, click on More in the drop-down menu. This option expands your sharing capabilities, allowing you to connect with various platforms. You will see a list of additional services that Canva can integrate with. This is crucial because it shows Canva's flexibility and versatility. You're not limited to just downloading your designs. You can share them directly to social media and video platforms. This makes reaching your audience even easier. After that, search for YouTube in the search bar that appears. Typing YouTube will help you quickly find the option to connect your Canva account to your YouTube channel. This step matters because connecting these tools will enable you to upload your video directly from Canva. It eliminates the extra step of downloading and then uploading separately. Once you find YouTube, it will be highlighted, ready for the next action. Next, click Connect. This prompts Canva to initiate the connection with your YouTube account. A new window will appear asking you to sign in. This is an important step as this connection allows Canva to access your YouTube account securely. This connection is made to enhance your workflow and ensure that your designs can be shared seamlessly. Now sign into your YouTube or Google account, enter your credentials, and ensure that you are using the account you want to connect with Canva. This step is crucial because it confirms your identity and protects your account. After signing in, you may see a prompt asking you to allow Canva access to your YouTube account. Allow Canva access. By granting permission, you're enabling Canva to manage your uploads directly. This step is vital for ensuring that your video uploads proceed without any interruptions. You will see a confirmation appear on the screen, reassuring you that the connection has been successfully established. From there, choose your video settings. You will be prompted to select the appropriate settings for your video upload. This includes options for visibility, such as public, unlisted, or private. These settings are important because they determine who can view your content once it is uploaded. Taking the time to set these options correctly allows you to manage your audience effectively. Finally, click Upload. This action sends your video directly to your YouTube channel. Watching the upload progress gives you immediate feedback that your design is being shared. This step wraps everything up, ensuring that your hard work is seen by your audience. With everything connected, you can create and share content effortlessly.